This is how to build a Lego Among Us. First you start with this piece, then you do this piece. Then you do this piece. Make sure it's in the middle. And then you're done. But if you want to make it a ghost, put this piece on. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I will have many videos. And you will even not miss out. Don't forget to comment me to see which one of my videos was the best. Was it this one or last year's video? Bye for now. I'll see you tomorrow.